Imagine waking up tomorrow and the entire internet, yeah, the one you're using right now, is powered by a blockchain that's faster, greener, and unbreakable. No more big tech controlling your data, no more slow crypto transactions killing your gains. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening right now with one game-changing tech project, and if you're not in this, you're about to get left behind. Stick around, guys, because I'm going to be breaking it all down for you. Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your boy, Domenico. The finance hustler is always spotting the next big wave before it crashes. And if you're into crypto or stocks or just making smart money moves, you know I don't hype fluff. I always try to deliver the real deal that pads your portfolio. And today, guys, we're diving into something massive, and that's the internet computer, or IC for short. This, guys, isn't your average shitcoin. It's a total overhaul of how the web works. Think of it as the iPhone moment for blockchain. Everything before it feels outdated. And why am I yelling about this now? Because with AI booming, we're just at the cusp, DeFi exploding, and governments cracking down on centralized tech, ICP is positioned to skyrocket. And we're talking potentially 10, 20, 30, 50x. In my financial advice, it's only a matter of time. Do your own research, of course. But just don't take my word for it. Let's unpack this beast together. If you're new here, of course, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. I drop gems like this daily. I try to do my best. And if you're a crypto vet, drop a comment. What's your biggest blockchain frustration? Because you know what? I have many. I've had many, from gas fees, scalability. So let's chat, guys. All right, let's rewind a bit. Picture this. I'm going to go through a bit of a storytelling time. Back in the early days of the internet, I do recall, I'm 40 this year, so I'm quite old. It was clunky and slow, I do remember in the 90s, and controlled always by a few giants. Fast forward to today, crypto, Bitcoin kicked it off, Ethereum revolutionized smart contracts, but they still chained to old school servers. Enter the GOAT Dominic Williams, the genius computer whiz who's been grinding in crypto, distributed systems, and even game theory for over 20 years. He founded the DFINITY Foundation, and the man, this team's no joke, guys. We're talking PhDs from Oxford, Cambridge, and even Zurich, MIT, the elite squad of cryptographers and AI experts and infrastructure pros. It's basically like assembling the Avengers for the internet. And their mission? To build a blockchain that just doesn't sit on top of the web, it becomes the new web. I remember when I first stumbled on this, doing my research binge, listening to Jerry, digging down that rabbit hole, and I've used Ethereum. Like I was frustrated with Ethereum's congestion. Like I even remember during the bull run, transactions taking forever, fees eating up profits. Then IC comes into your life. It's like, bam, you see this tech runs full apps on chain, no servers needed, and you can see like, fuck, this will eventually end big tech's monopoly. Story time. Let's get educational about it. So, but what makes ICP stand out? And I'll break it down for you like I'm explaining it to a non-crypto buddy over coffee, like I'm talking to my grandma. First off, smart contracts on IC, they call them canisters. These canisters run at blazing web speeds, just like you're using your internet, like your web to internet normally. No lagging off-chain service like on other chains. Like you can use the IC and you feel like you're just using the ordinary web that we've got, but it's not. Analogy time. Imagine Ethereum as a buzzing highway with toll booths everywhere. IC, it's just supersonic jet zipping past without stops. So you don't feel it. It's just smooth sailing. And the secret sauce, guys, to do all of this is chain key cryptography. This breakthrough, guys, lets the network scale infinitely, walking right into the old internet seamlessly with no bottlenecks. It grows like the web itself. There's no reverse gas model. Developers foot the bill for compute power, so you, the user, interact for free. No tokens needed, no wallet drama. That's huge and ripe for mass adoption, which will be inevitable. And remember, how crypto newbies bail because of gas fees? They don't have to worry about that. Oh, on-chain hosting, websites, social apps, DeFi, all live directly on the blockchain. Censorship-proof, no AWS or Google Cloud dependencies at all. It's like owning your own unbreakable server farm. Energy-wise, energy. Internet computer is a green machine. While Bitcoin guzzles power like a V8 engine And they talk about how AI will need a lot of energy, power, and even proof of stake chains aren't perfect. ICP's consensus is super efficient. Tiny energy per transaction, built sustainably from the ground up, perfect for our eco-conscious world. Compare this to rivals like Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. They're great, yeah, sure, but they still lean on Web 2 crutches. ICP replaces them entirely with scalability, infinite speed, 1-2 second finality, fully decentralized, and governance. Their NNS system, or the network nervous system, lets the community upgrade in real time, no messy forks or drama. And for the beginners out there, basically this means easier entry into crypto. And the pro is it challenges you to think bigger. How can you build or invest in a truly sovereign internet? Now, why does this matter, guys, for us? Because you know what? Because crypto is in a bull cycle. It's in a super cycle. AI is integrating with blockchains, and regulations are pushing for decentralized technology. And guys, ICPs are already hosting killer apps. Think social platforms like alternatives to Twitter or Reddit are all on chain and unstoppable. So, guys, I'm going to give you some actionable tips. 1, research ICP's token. ICP is not just a coin, it fuels the network. Remember. Tip 2, dive into the ecosystem. Try it out for yourself. Try OpenChat for messaging or a DeFi app on the IC, gasless instant. It's hands-on execution. For builders, we're going to have dev tools. We're going to have caffeine arts coming out for the masses in mid-October. You can use natural language to prompt and build your own business ideas. And yeah, and you can use that to build a business and make profits from that. And you can do that in scaling, using orthogonal positions to create updates to your applications, free from enterprises. You don't need a cybersecurity stack. And you're free from governments and big corporations hiring your apps because you own your own data. Remember that. It's all securely on the blockchain. That's the most important thing. So if this fires you up, like it does to me every day, like the video and comment. And this helps the algorithm spread the word because we need this getting out there. Guys, the hype is real. ICP isn't patching old problems. It's reinventing the game. Social media without servers. DeFi for the billions. Remember, enterprise dApps for banks, that's the future, and ICP owns it. Like if you're bullish on ICP, comment ICP to the moon below and share this with a friend who's still stuck in Ethereum land. Let's build this community, and we're in this together. In closing, remember, while other blockchains tinker, ICP is architecting the new open, safe internet for an AI-driven new internet. It's going to be scalable, efficient, user-first, decentralized, and securely safe. And it's going to have the new governance for AI. The ruler of them to get it all will be the world computer. So that's why, guys, do your own research, get in early, stay informed, and watch your wealth grow. It's going to take time. Patience will pay. Less is more, but it's only inevitable because we're moving into an AI-driven future internet. Thanks for watching, guys. You're legends. I'll catch you in the next one, and peace out.